Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a low Dutch braid. You can also do a low French braid using this technique. The only difference, let me do it with my hair up so I can show you. The only difference with a French and a Dutch braid is the way you do it. The French braid, you start out with a normal braid. Let me show you a little bit. The normal French braid, you start with the ends going over the middle piece. Let me grab a piece so I can show you how it's really done. But I did the normal braid like that. So you get 3 pieces, end over the middle piece, and then you grab a hair, and you keep doing that. The Dutch braid is, let me show you in the normal braid first, is the middle piece over the end pieces. So then you would get a portion of the hair and you put the middle piece over the end pieces and grab some more hair and continue. So I'm going to show you how to do a low Dutch braid. Just give me a moment as I untie my hair. Actually, some light come in. Okay. My hair's fairly brushed. And if you have, I would suggest getting spare mirrors so you can see. For instance, this won't help me at all because it's not within the right angle. You may see what I'm doing with my hair, but get one and put it, as you can see, I typically do this without looking. Okay, so I want to start like right here, and the nape of your neck is here. I'm going to start here since starting up here makes it too poofy for me. So I'm going to get a bit of a thicker layer than I normally would. And then I'm going to section it off into 3. Three pieces. The higher up you start, the thinner you want the strands that you grab to be. So then you can go all the way down to the nape of your neck. So then I'm going to grab some from here. Grab some on this side as well. Pull underneath. Grab a little bit more. You see I kept grabbing strands. I got too much because I start lower than a normal Dutch braid. I'm gonna try to finish it around the nape of my neck. Okay. See, there's pieces of hair missing. And now you just do normal braids if you make sure you have all the hair. And pieces under the middle piece. I typically try to get as much as I can to the end. So my hair's a little bit hard since I have it kind of V-shaped. So now, since this is where I'm deciding to stop right here, I don't know if I wanted to. What I typically do is when I get this portion, I open it here. Under. So then I just keep going to the end. So when I get to the point I like, and voila. Let me show you what it looks like. Let me see. Can you be able to see this? Okay, there we go. That's what the back looks like. There you go. Let me put on. This pulled back Dutch braid. So if you wanted to know how to do Dutch braid, that's how you're doing, and you can do this. You can do the same style, except as a French braid, and except doing the end pieces over the middle piece, and just keep doing that all the way down. And you'll have a low French braid as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.